Hello everyone. My name is Sadie, and this is SpenWise, an AI-powered personal finance and receipt management platform built using OpenAI GPT 5.6 and Codex. Many people still keep paper receipts or manually record their expenses. This makes budgeting difficult and preparing tax claim documents even more time-consuming. SpenWise solves this by using AI to understand receipts, organize financial records, and simplify tax claim documentation. Let me show you how it works. First, the user signs into the application. From the dashboard, users can instantly see their income, expenses, account balance, spending trends, and financial summaries. Next, the user captures a receipt using a phone camera or uploads an existing image or PDF. Instead of entering everything manually, GPT 5.6 analyzes the receipt, extracts important information such as the merchant, date, total amount, and purchase items, then converts it into structured financial data. The user can review and edit the extracted information before saving, ensuring accuracy and maintaining full control. SpenWise then automatically categorizes expenses and organizes receipts into searchable records. Another key feature is tax claim documents. Based on the receipt content, GPT 5.6 suggests the appropriate tax claim document category. Users can easily organize receipts by assessment year, review them, and prepare supporting documents for tax filing. Reports can also be exported for personal finance tracking and record keeping. Throughout development, I used Codex extensively. Codex helped me implement new features, improve the user interface, refactor existing code, generate tests, troubleshoot bugs, and safely deploy updates without affecting production stability. Rather than writing every line manually, I collaborated with Codex to speed up development while reviewing and validating every important change before deployment. GPT 5.6 powers the intelligent receipt understanding and document suggestions, while Codex accelerated the engineering process that made this application possible. This project demonstrates how AI can save users time, reduce manual work, and make personal finance management much simpler. Thank you for watching.